Hi guys, so this is the apartment. It's empty now, so I haven't gotten anything. In fact, my things from the old house are still on the way coming. So this is the kitchen here. I think this is enough for me since I'll be living here in London. I'm at the fourth floor, not so high. And this is I don't know if I'm just going to use this space for my beauty salon or I'm going to use one of the rooms. Anyways, you guys give me a suggestion. Yes, when we in China we always get a house, everything is already available in there. You just need to add one or two things. Normally they will have to bring me a TV, which the landlord will bring it soon. We already have the fridge here. I just found it today, and I have a big balcony here. I was thinking I should make my beauty salon here, but I think I need space. I don't know if I can do it here. Here can be good. Here, just put few mirrors, but we need the windows though. And this is the laundry area, so I don't know. I'm not sure we are going to use it for the salon because we need to be drying our clothes here. Back into the parlor. This is a sitting room or parlor, whatever. Yeah. This is room number 1. I told them to remove the bed because I was thinking I want to use this as my beauty salon. So I told them to remove the bed, but they left the 2 side cupboards of the bed and the wall. What's this? The closet. It has an AC, and I told them to I made just these 2 windows, so I told them to add this nets to protect me from mosquitoes, just in case, when it's almost winter, places are hot a little bit, places are moist. So yeah, this is how the room looks like. Empty, not too big, but it's okay for anything I want to do. When I always look for a place to stay and there are so many places to switch, like this switch is here, I'm so happy because I'm always having to do something with lights. Okay, now let's go to the master's bedroom. So like I told you guys, it's empty. This is how I made the house. Oh my god, the noise outside. We are actually beside the railway station. You can see this is the train here. Let me try this one. Okay, this is the train. Where's my? This is the train. The subway station. That's when it's so much noise around. Let me try this one. Okay, this is the train. Where's my? This is the train. The subway station. That's when it's so much noise around. I don't know what. So the is it mattress or mattress, whatever you guys call it. I told them to take the the mattress from the other room and double it with this one because I want something high, because this is where I'm going to have all my children. So I need a comfortable space. So it has a closet as well. I think this room is bigger than yes, it's actually bigger than the other one, so that's why it's called the master's bedroom. Yeah, so I have 2 closets for myself. This is how the room looks like. Now for the bathroom. I think it's a little bit dirty. Yeah, it's as big as my first bathroom. I don't know, this place is so dirty. I really need to clean it. Yeah, it has a heating system as well. When it's winter, we have to on here also. Yeah, it gives out hot air during winter here. So when you're taking your bath, you don't need to freeze. Okay, so this is everything. Yeah, this is my way out to the house, out of the house. I just got in this morning, and yeah, if someone comes in and I don't know who the person is, they will just need to type my room number and I will have to open the door for them here. So I like it so bright, all the lights are so amazing. I like this house. I think this is, out of all the houses I was looking for, I think this was what, not like this was the best, but this was just comfortable for me, you know. The houses I saw, you will see a room will be here, the kitchen will be here, the bathroom will be, a room will be here. The kitchen and the bathroom is just beside each other, so I didn't really like that style. So that's why when I saw this, the kitchen first and then everything is that way, I was so happy. So guys, this is my new house. And for those who are coming to do their wigs, we are going to figure out, to install their wigs, we are going to figure out where we are going to place you guys. I think this is going to be our beauty salon, so we are going to fix this very soon. Okay, so I'm so messy right now. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Oh, this is me here. Who misses me? Who miss me now? You miss me? Leave a comment down below. Click the link down below if you want to order a wig on